Today I'm going to show you how. Hey, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how. Hey, welcome to today's tutorial. Today's tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about the design menu. In our last tutorial, we talked about the insert menu. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about the design menu. The design menu has the themes. The themes are just the color combination and the arrangement. You just pick. Come here, pick. Most of the time you won't even need to touch this. The same thing applies here in the title. You just click and it changes. These are predefined designs. You just pick it and see the way it appears in your documents. Okay, and then the next one here is the color combination in the document. You see, if you click this one, for instance, you see the color will change. The colors, they keep changing. So from the theme to the title to these colors are almost similar in effect. Then we have the fonts. These are the fonts combination in your document. The next thing here is the paragraph spacing and highlight. Come here, see, no paragraph space. It makes the line closer. Then we have this one here, compact. We have tight, open, relax, and double spacing. So let's keep it tight. Then we have other effects. So the design, as the name goes, is generally about design, which is the theme, the color combination, the text, and that's it. Then we can come down here. The next one here is the watermark. You can look at it from this preview. When you're writing, the watermark is like a security features. You just write a text or you place a picture as a background of the document. We can come down here. You can get more watermarks from office.com and do custom watermark. As you customize it, you type what you want on the background. Now you can remove. So let's come here. Let's try the custom watermark. So the first one is no watermark. The first option here is no watermark. The second one is picture watermark. In this picture watermark, you can select your picture. Click select. I click work offline, which means I'm going to pick a picture on my computer. So I can click this picture, for instance, insert, apply it to my document. If I don't want it to fade, I'll uncheck this washout. Apply. This is it. I can close. This is a watermark. The watermark is at the background of the page, so I can type on it. We'll copy and paste. So this is how it is. The watermark is behind the text. So I can come here, go back to custom watermark. Remember, I was using picture watermark. I can decide to scale it. The scaling here is automatic scaling. I can scale it to 500, apply to see the effect. See, it's very large. Can come here, reduce it to 200 and apply to see the effects. See, can take it to as low as 50, apply. See, it's very small. Or I can change it to auto. See, the next one here is text watermark. This allows me to type in a text in this place. This is where you type in your own text, custom text. So I can type MS Word. Now you have to be careful the kind of text, the kind of color you use. You have to use a color that will at least come out from the background so that I'll be able to see what you're doing. So I'm going to pick this color and apply. You see the way it is. Now remember, in the when we're using image picture watermark, we use washout, but here we have semi. Under the text we have semi-transparent, so we can uncheck it to see the difference. You see, this is darker, but if you check this semi-transparent and apply, you see it's a little bit fader, it's a little bit lighter. So whatever works for you, whatever you like, whatever you want to achieve, feel free to tweak it and then click apply to see the way to appear. Now another thing is the layout. It can be diagonal. Diagonal means it's slant, or is horizontal. You can make it horizontal, it goes across, or you make it diagonal. Diagonal is the most common style, so I'll leave it this way and close. See, the next item is a page color. You can decide to color your page. This is straightforward. You just click a color and it colors your page, whatever color you want to color your page. That's it. Now the last item here under the design menu is a page border. Now to the left we have none, that is, there's no border. Then we have box. When you click this thing, you see the preview here. Then you can choose your style, your line style. This is a straight line. This is another one, dotted line, double line, triple lines, one bold and one thin line. You can click OK to see see. this is it. We can still go back and make some changes. Now the color, by default, the default color is black, but we can decide to change the color to orange from the, this is the preview. So let's say click OK. You see the way it is. You can still come back here, and you can add shadow. Let's see the shadow to one side. You can increase the thickness, the border thickness, to make it more heavier. See, this is it. We can also come here. If you don't want to use a simple line for your border, you can decide to use art, like pictures. Use an apple, for instance. This is the way to look. You can scroll down and pick any other thing you want from the list here. See, so you click OK to see the way it is in the document. There are other options here. Feel free to explore. We have shading. You can come here, shade the inside. So that's all about design. If you have any question, you can post it on the comment section. Feel free to ask any question or make comments. Please like and share and subscribe to your friends, and look out for the next tutorial on the layout menu. Thank you for watching. Bye.